Lavingo Premium Tailor Scissors Heavy-duty multi-purpose titanium coating forged stainless steel sewing fabric leather dressmaking soft grip shears professional crafting 9.5-inch. Durable strong stainless steel rust-resistant blades. Forging press manufacturing process enables high-density steel that makes 3 times harder than normal stainless steel and are smoother cutting. Ultra-sharp and all-purpose. Easy for cutting more than 16 layers of fabrics. Ideal for sewing, tailoring, quilting, dressmaking, cutting patterns, alterations, handcraft, home and office use etc. Multicolor titanium coating blades. They are strongly resistant to rusting and to adhesives such as glue and tape, making them ideal for almost any kinds of tasks. Soft grip handle, ergonomic design for precision control and max comfort. Lifetime, every product is independently tested and selected to ensure the performance you expect for everyday low price. The result is a quality item backed by our commitment to your satisfaction. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.